Hello everyone, I'm back again with another video. This is another Black Friday special offer video. This is for MyThemeShop. It just came through to my inbox about half an hour ago, and as soon as it came through I put it on the site and I also bought it myself, and I'll show you why. You get $8,000 worth of themed plugins for just $99.47 every year. And I'll show you why I bought it. Let me just close this one. Because this is a plugin I was going to buy about 3 months ago when I started using these. I started using the free one on my site, Wordpress Review, and it was good. But with the new Google Schema update and also some of the layouts weren't great, I thought I'd buy the premium, but the premium one was $67 just for one site and $97 for unlimited. And that's just for one plugin. So I did a bit of research and I found out that MyThemeShop do a deal every year, Black Friday deal. Normally it's about $150, and you get unlimited sites and you get to use all the themes and plugins. Now, normally the membership would cost $420 for unlimited site license, and for that you get all of the themes, all of the plugins, and all the updates and support for 1 year. And let me see, so themes. Now the themes, I normally use Astra and I normally use Breezy or Elementor to make my own theme layout. But sometimes you need something a bit different, a bit unique, or you need specific types of themes for certain content. And I recently bought a few bundles. They probably weren't worth it, that's why I'm not posted on my site. But MyThemeShop make high quality themes, and you get full support, and they always work. And they start from about $19, $35. Don't forget all of this is included. 620,000 customers. That's themes, and now plugins. Now for plugins, again, some of them are $27. All these prices are one-site prices. This one I wanted to be Peer Review Pro. That one looks interesting. Content Locker. There's quite a few here. In post ads. Don't forget you get all of this for that one price, $99.47. I think it is. Anyway, so this is my account. Just to show you, I did actually buy it today. The extended membership renews next year. Okay. And yes, this is all the themes. I wish they'd split this up into themes and plugins, but anyway. These are all the things you get, the premium ones. It's a pretty long list. Okay. And also they give you these free bonus. I thought they were full products, but they seem to be full products like trials. So 90-day trial. So I probably won't be using any of these. And on my Black Friday deal page, I updated it with a few new deals. This is MyThemeShop. That one there. I've also added WP coupons and deals. This is my favourite coupons plugin for WordPress. They're giving 40% off any package. And I think I did one more. Here we go, File Factory. I use File Factory for file sharing, and they've got some massive deals, 50% off any package, or $249 for a lifetime deal. But yeah, that's it for the moment. So if you sign to the list here, or click here, or the notification at the top when it comes, I'll be updated. So see you again soon. Thanks, bye.